In this video, I will show you how to fund your account on the Binance cryptocurrency exchange. You will also learn how to buy cryptocurrency after replenishment. But if you are not yet registered on the Binance exchange, then follow the link in the description under the video and register. This link will give you a permanent discount on fees on the Binance exchange. There are two main ways to fund your account on the Binance exchange. The first method is to top up with a regular bank card. The minimum deposit amount is $15. And the second way is to top up your account via P2P, from one person to another person. The minimum deposit amount is $10. Now I will tell you about these two ways to top up your account and show you the instructions. The first method of replenishment is using a bank card or bank transfer. Click on the Binance home page. After that, select the Buy Crypto section. Select the Buy section, then select the replenishment currency. I recommend using your card's currency. If you have a dollar card, then select dollars. But if you have a different currency on your card, then select the currency of your card. If your currency is not listed, then select dollars and payment will be made based on the exchange rate conversion in your country. In the second line, you need to select the cryptocurrency of your wallet. If you want to buy many different cryptocurrencies, then I recommend choosing USDT. This is the main currency on the Binance exchange, with which you can buy any cryptocurrency. For example, if you buy $15 worth of USDT, then you can split that amount to buy multiple crypto assets. But if you want to buy one cryptocurrency for $15, then you can immediately select it from this list. But I will buy many different altcoins with $15, so I chose USDT. After that, click the Buy Crypto button. Select the first line for payment by Visa or MasterCard and click Confirm. After this, you will see a notification to add your bank card. Click Add New Card. After this, you will see your verification data. You need to add your card to them in order for you to be able to purchase cryptocurrency. The same as when purchasing in an online store. After confirming the purchase, the USDT currency will be credited to your wallet, taking into account the withdrawal of the commission. You will be able to find the purchased USDT in the funding section. This USDT needs to be transferred to fiat and spot. This will give us the opportunity to buy cryptocurrency. Select the transfer option and change direction in fiat and spot. And in the amount section, select the amount of USDT you want to exchange for cryptocurrency. Go to the fiat and spot section and there you will see the amount of USDT you have sent. After this, you can buy cryptocurrency in the trade and spot sections. But now I will show you another way to fund your account on the Binance exchange, P2P trading. Buying or selling cryptocurrency from person to person. In this method, Binance is the guarantor of the transaction and it is safe. The minimum deposit amount is $10. First, you need to select the currency of your bank card. For each currency, there are merchants who will sell you USDT. With this USDT, you can buy any cryptocurrency. After selecting the currency, you need to enter the replenishment amount, from $10 in one currency or another. After that, select the replenishment bank. The best price will be automatically shown at the top. Click Buy USDT and enter the amount in your currency you want to convert to USDT. After that, click Buy USDT. At the top you will see a timer, during which time you need to send money to the seller in the amount that you specified in your currency. We send it to the account specified in the bank account number section. After sending this amount, you need to click on the Transferred button, and after that, confirm that you sent money for selling USDT. Within 10 minutes the seller will send you the USDT you bought. You don't need to do anything, just wait for the notification that USDT has been credited to your account. The transaction is completed. You can go to your account and there you will see the amount of USDT that you bought from the seller. This one can be found in the funding section. In order to buy cryptocurrency, you need to select the transfer option. Change the transfer direction at fiat and spot. And in the amount section, select the amount of USDT you want to exchange for cryptocurrency. Go to the fiat and spot section and there you will see the amount of USDT you have sent. After that, select the trade section and select spot. Find or search for the cryptocurrency you want to buy and then select the USDT option. Enter the amount of cryptocurrency to purchase and then click the Buy button. A buy order will appear below, which will be executed immediately or after some time. But if it doesn't execute right away, then cancel it and refresh the page after that. Enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to buy. Offer a purchase price the same as in the table on the right. The order will be executed immediately and the cryptocurrency will appear on your balance. To check this, open the Overview section and select Fiat and Spot. There you will see the amount of cryptocurrency you bought. That's all. In this way, you will be able to fund your account on the Binance exchange, and after that you will be able to buy cryptocurrency. If you liked this video, then like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for watching.